Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm excited because I have another clothing video for y'all. Okay, so today I have a mystery box sent over from a clothing brand called 8th Wonder Clothing. And if you guys want to check them out, I highly recommend you check them out. They will be linked down below. I also will show you your IG as well, so you can head over there and see what they have. Now, I was excited because when they told me about what they have is what I needed. Now, I needed a lot of graphic tees. I needed a lot of like the t-shirts and hoodies. I got so many jeans, so much denim. I need hoodies, I need tees. That's what I need in my life. So not too soon after that, they reached out and told me that they had me on a mystery box. I have no idea what's in the mystery box. Well, actually, I didn't have an idea on the mystery box. Let me show y'all what happened. Oh yeah, so here's the box, all right? Now I know if y'all watch my videos, y'all hear me talk a lot about the shiesty mail carriers in the world. Let me tell y'all something. Usually I have my mail boxes and sometimes they've tampered and sometimes it look like people just like tweaking in them, you know what I'm saying? Just like peeking, but not this box. Oh no, not this box, bro. This box, bro. Oh my mom, bro, when I got this box, it was completely open like this. The box was completely open like this. So of course, I had to call 8th Wonder and tell them like, hey, look, bro, this box was probably vandalized by somebody that works for USPS. I need you to verify everything inside of this box to make sure that everything is here. The last thing I wanted to do was create a video and, you know, show the stuff that they sent off, and they're like, yo, Snipe, what happened to the rest of the stuff we sent? Yeah, I ain't get it. Luckily, even though the box was completely open, they said everything I named inside the box was sent and nothing is missing. So thankfully, you know, everything good, everything is here, because I ain't gonna hold you, bro, I would have been sick. Regardless though, let's get into it. Even though I looked inside, I didn't really open it. Like a lot of this stuff still in the bag and stuff like that, so I didn't really do like a detailed look over. But like I said, we do got a lot of stuff in this box, so let's get into it. The mystery box, it's like a $300 mystery box. It was like $300 for stuff. First off, we're gonna start off with the jacket. Now the jacket is the only thing I believe that didn't come off in a what do you want to call it? The jacket didn't come off in any like separate packaging unless like USPS messed that up too. But we got the jacket first. This is more like your, what would I say? This is like the windbreaker type. All right, camo. Y'all know I love camo. It got that 8th Wonder stamp right there on it. And like I said, the material's pretty good. I believe it's like a pocket. Y'all, it's a pocket right here that you can unzip, zip open with like a little kangaroo pouch right there. I'm rocking with this because I love camo. Y'all know that, bro. It's no surprise. You know your boy Snipe loves some camo. All right, so we got the windbreaker first. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I like this. Good material. Next up, we're gonna go in the box. I'm gonna just grab like random stuff. I ain't gonna hold it. I'm gonna just grab random stuff. We got a hoodie. Is this a hoodie? Yeah, it's a little heavy. We got a hoodie, so I'm gonna open up the hoodie and see what it's hitting for. This one is like a black and red colorway, and the material on this one feels pretty good too. Ain't gonna cap. So let me see. Black hoodie with the red milk carton on it, and the milk carton reads missing with the 8th Wonder, and it says the skate ball. Okay, cool. So did y'all see it? Black hoodie. Let you see the graphic on it. The missing milk carton, you know, back in them days with the 8th Wonder right there on the side of the milk carton. You see that? Material's A1 though. Don't know what they use, if this is like a champion type or what type of hoodie these are. But I gotta ask what type of blanks they use, bro, for the merch, you know what I'm saying? For the merch. This is fire though. So we got the hoodie. Next up we have a tee. Let's get it. Let's get it. It might be a tee. I don't know if it's a tee. It's a little thick. Alright, it's the crew neck. Okay, cool. I'm about to say, yeah, it's a little thick. I rock with this, bro. The first thing I thought about, Travis Scott's for sure. It got like this olive green with the 8th Wonder going across. Y'all see that there? I like this a lot. Yeah, this is a vibe. Shout out 8th Wonder, man. Yeah, this is a whole vibe, man. But I'm liking this olive. Olive is definitely like one of those fall colors for me, so definitely count me in to be rocking that one. Next up, we have, this is a tee. Okay, this one didn't come in the packaging either. Oh, man. Let's do it, the graphic tees, let's go. So on the front of the graphic tee is just 8th Wonder. It's a white tee, I know, it's kind of crazy. The back is what's tough though. You see the 8th Wonder on the back, the skull head with the 8th Wonder in the writing. The sleeves are crazy with like the tie-dye right here on the elbow on the outer sleeve, and it's the same on the other sleeve as well. I'm rocking with this. This is loud, you know what I'm saying? Very loud. Next up we have another tee. Open this one up. This is long sleeve, short sleeve. This might be my favorite tee so far. I like this one. So this one is an 8th Wonder. I think it is like a skate wheel. So he's holding the skate wheel, squeezing the heck out of it. And it's like he's breaking the skate wheel with his hands. and it says the 8th Wonder on it as well. Y'all check that out. I'm rocking with that. Man, I know the white tees are kind of hard to see because of the studio, but yeah, that's fire. I'm rocking with that one. Next up, we got another tee. This is something that go like, you know, some metal 13s or something like that. It's almost, matter of fact, I think it'll go with them human races that Adidas sent me. I might need to go back and grab a pair and look at that. I think this will probably go with the human race that Adidas sent me, or Cardinal 7s or something like that. It's like a canary yellow colorway, and it says 8th Wonder going across the top. And like y'all say, man, like the way I dress, my style, very simplistic, you know what I'm saying? It's not really too complicated, it's not really too hard, you know what I'm saying? So it's not really too much. I wear a lot of graphic tees, a lot of good denim, and that's pretty much how I throw a lot of style together. As you see now, like I got the flannel on, I might throw something like over it, but it's never nothing too crazy, you know, never nothing too crazy. So these go right up my alley, to be honest. This is my comfort zone right here. This is usually what I wear, so, you know, I ain't mad at it at all. Next up, we got a blue graphic tee. This one says 8th Wonder, but on the back it says 8th Wonder Comics. I like the comic line. Yeah, this is fire. This kind of reminds me of the Hundreds Bomb comics that they be having sometimes. This one is hard. I definitely rock with that. That's tough. 8th Wonder, I like the comic line, bro. Definitely drop some more of those and send them to your boy. That's hard. That is hard. You got a red tee here. They hooked me up, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. The red tee, this is a comic one too? Not just like a plain tee. Okay, cool. So we got the red tee here that says 8th Wonder across the chest. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to them boys for showing love, man. Woo! We got 2 more tees. This one might be the hardest one. This look tough. This look hard. No lie. Look at this one. Let me clean this up a little bit. This one's tough. Oh yeah. It is hard. This hard. The race car 8th Wonder, rocking with this. Like, this is a prime graphic tee. I like the options, right? So you see so many different colorways in this tee, so many different colors. It's a lot going on, but it still has a purpose, right? Which means that like when you wear clothes like this, when you wear a shirt like this, you got a lot of options on what shoes you can throw on or what fit to throw on, because you got some yellow here, some red here, you got a little bit of the blue, some white. So you can really choose on what you want to pop, and then the shirt is black. So if you got like a pair of sneakers with any subtle colors, you can make it pop with a tee like that. And last but not least, on the shirt side, we have a gray shirt. I'm excited for those cool grays to release again too, man. So I'll be thinking ahead. But we got another 8th Wonder graphic tee. Let me see what this one says. This one says, oh, this is an anime. This one looks like an anime tee. So we got the 8th Wonder anime tee going on, man. Like I said, I will be linking 8th Wonder down below in the description for y'all to go over and check that out. They also put like some keychains in here, a beanie, and some stickers too. So we got some stickers over here. You know what I'm saying? Shout out 8th Wonder. Definitely throw these on the laptop. A keychain, and last but not least, in the box, we got the hat. So it's like an 8th Wonder beanie. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. 8th Wonder, shout out to y'all for sending me some fire clothing. If any of you guys out there have clothing lines, or if you are working with companies that do clothing, I'm trying to get way more into clothing videos. I got another clothing video coming up very soon as well, I'm excited about doing. But all you have to do is either reach out to my Gmail that's down below, or just hit me up on Instagram and let me know, you know, let me see your work, let me see what you do. And maybe, you know, so we can get something going with that, because I am always looking to switch up things. And you know, all these shoes, bro, I can never not need clothes. So hit me up, man, if you guys are interested in sending me anything like that. And yeah, man, I appreciate it. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.